This is the video demonstration of RKE learning in Bolero. To perform the RKE learning, first remove the center console. The RKE controller is located below the center console. The arrow mark indicates the connector of the RKE controller. Now disconnect the connector from the RKE controller. Remove the outer cover first and pull out the PCB as shown in the video. The arrow mark shows the RKE learning switch. Now press and hold the RKE learning switch and simultaneously insert the connector. Now release the RKE learning switch after 10 seconds. Now press the lock button in the remote for 3 seconds and release. Now press the lock button in the remote for 2 seconds again and then release. Now the system starts working. Now press the lock or unlock button on the remote and check if doors are getting locked or unlocked. If RKE is not working, repeat the entire procedure once again. Now disconnect the connector from the RKE controller. Place the PCB back to its original position. And now fix the cover. Now plug the electrical connector to the RKE controller. Refit the center console.